All right, guys, we got the drone. We got 3 spare batteries, a spare cell phone to run the drone. What else do we have? I have another battery on the charger right now, so it's going to take about 5 minutes, but stay tuned. We're going to be out the door here in about 5 minutes. We're having 2 other people meet us here at the location. All right, guys, we're driving on the 111 freeway. I think we're gonna shoot up the 243 and see what we could find. Check out this cactus that's growing out here wild. It's got big spines, but also has little leaves like a tree. All right, guys, let's get back on the road. We got Joel with us. We got Antonio.
We're in trouble.
All right, guys, we stopped to have a quick bite to eat, and the Border Patrol pulled up.
Just pull over and ask us for ID.
They're looking at us. They're checking us out.
I'm the only white boy here.
The Mexican's in the back. Don't let him see me.
I was in a squid, and it was like a bright yellow. Yeah, that was a trip. No, there might have been a little jelly in it. Bing, bing. Bing. My phone's going bing, bing. Yeah, I asked Siri to make sure to get us to this highway. We didn't know exactly where this highway was. Grapevine.
We're driving on the 74, and look at all these plants blooming, these flowers. It's an amazing area right here. Look up there. Those cactuses are also blooming. Hi. Okay. All right, we got kicked out, guys. Let's get out of here.
I'm going up there and see me that rusty. That looks like a rusty old Jeep or something. We'll find out what that is.
That's a flatbed. Just went down.
All right, guys, we found a couple of vehicles.
Who found it?
You found it. I was the driver. If you look up there, there's vehicles.
King of eyeballs.
We're on the Highway 74, like I said earlier. We took the Highway 111. We got drones. We got hiking sticks. We're gonna hike up there to see what it is. We noticed this truck when we were traveling uphill. I think that's an old truck up there, huh? Huh? Some fiberglass from something, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a hard time coming down.
You serious?
The going up part's the easy part. I'm already exhausted.
I told you not to wear tennis shoes.
These tennies aren't hurting me on this hike. This hike's nothing. Dude, you still got to get over the side and down on those vehicles. But maybe it would have been easier to come down than up.
Guy's flying. You all right, Joel?
Yeah. I'm just a little winded.
We'll make it. All right, guys, it's getting steep. It's too steep, Joel? How many vehicles? Oh, look, there's scaffolding down there. It was a construction truck. Oh, there's an old Chevy down there. Holy crap, this is steep. Why'd I come this way? Holy crap. Joel's gonna make it, y'all.
This is a Chevy though.
Chevy?
The old one.
Yeah,
no,
last
the drywall people.
construction truck.
You already got it.
Hey, watch out for snakes in here.
Yeah, they're not in the sun. Go on the rock.
No thanks.
Yeah, look at all those. This guy's lost it right here.
I want to know what year this truck is.
Look at the lonchera, it's still right here.
The people's lunch.
Yeah, look at the lonchera.
Oh yeah. Oh man, these people probably died up here.
What? What is this? Be careful when you do something.
Yeah, I'm not lifting nothing. I want to know what year this truck is. Is this Chevy, Dodge? Man, somebody took the transmission. And listen to that motorcycle. Hear that motorcycle coming right now?
Johnny! Johnny! This way, right here. There's a trail.
What's he doing? This old sticker on this truck.
Another lonchera right there.
We're still missing one person, guys. He turned around, he got scared. It's kind of steep in certain areas. Oh, dude, this is an old Chevy.
Oh, I told you.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, that bike just went by. Did you hear it? Wow. I want to get a good look at it. Let me move these out of the way.
Look at the Chevy they're playing.
What year do you think this is?
Look at the music they're playing.
The CD's probably from this truck, the newer one. Oh, you know what? This was an enclosed trailer on top of this truck. And that's what all this stuff is full of this trash. I'm gonna go around so we can see the other side. Oh. Ow. Dude, this don't look steep, but it's steep. Is this a Chevy or Dodge? Antonio, is this Chevy or Dodge? Look at the grill. Joel, we need your expertise.
Might be a Dodge, huh?
Could be a Dodge, dude.
Right.
Have you guys seen any rattlesnakes?
No rattlesnakes yet.
Wow, look at this plane frame. That was in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Looks like Chevy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Chevy from behind, but the front
I'm
looks
gonna get
like
inside
Dodge.
of it so I can see what's going on.
It's Chevy or Dodge.
Someone got inside and stripped this thing dry.
But you can tell it caught on fire. You know why?
It's all rusty.
Right.
Oh, I want to look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel will tell us.
Yeah, except over there. the emblem off of it. That's
You can see where they fly off right there. It's steep right here too. That's why they didn't pull these trucks out. It's just almost, you'd probably have to have a crane to come up here.
yeah, they're not going to shut that highway down and pull that out.
No, it's gonna rot here for the rest of its life. Until they find technology to pull it out.
They have technology to pull it out. They're not going to shut that highway down and pull it out. Just leave it. Gravel.
Joel, you made it. You're bleeding on your arm a little bit.
Oh, normal.
More city.
That's normal. Little blood. Ah!
I'm proud of you, Joel. You made it.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's the getting down part that worries me.
We'll help you down.
Just go home. No, slide you.
I'm gonna go inside and look at the steering
You know
wheel.
what? Maybe it's Ford.
It's throwing me off. That front grill's throwing me off. It looks like Chevy, but it's looking like something else.
Well, if you take a picture, your listeners will recognize it in a minute. Yeah, that makes it pretty obvious.
I think this logo on the door is kind of interesting. I'm going inside.
That glass.
All right, guys, here's the
Dodge
interior.
Ford.
It's either a Chevy or a Dodge. I don't know what it is.
Boy, when those car scavengers come in,
This one is easy to hike to from the bottom, so that's why this thing's so stripped. They even took the bed.
yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, they took care of those scavengers. Filthy scavengers. But the grill's a hotel tell sign.
Yeah, somebody's gonna know on YouTube what it is.
For sure. I'm just trying to, I don't, it's either Chevy or Dodge or Ford.
That's a Dodge. From the back, it looks like a Chevy, but
All right, guys, I'm gonna climb up to this box truck and see what's going on with
Did
it.
they steal the VIN number off it?
I don't see a VIN on it, a VIN plate or license plate. I don't see anything.
Does he steal the VIN number too?
Yeah.
I'm surprised it's still got a steering box.
Look, here's an old skillet. Look,
Old griddle.
an old griddle.
Old stove griddle.
Yeah,
Maybe not even that old.
it's probably modern. Probably came out of that truck.
hey,
Yeah.
it's here.
Huh?
Water's still here.
The motor steer here.
Yeah,
Look, guys,
from the back.
where they cut the person out.
Yeah, they ain't trying to pull them, no motors pull out.
This guy was, they cut him out of this vehicle.
Yeah, it's probably just a chunk of hamburger.
Yeah.
Hey, alternator through here.
Huh?
Alternator.
Alternator.
I'm surprised.
Dude, this is like so steep right here. I can't even stand straight without falling backwards. I'm gonna come to your side. I want to see the engine.
Johnny,
What?
the body is still here.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what? That wow, maybe it crashed through the guardrail. Maybe it lost its brake. They don't leave one identifying mark.
All right, guys, we got to the passenger side, and
Way to the back.
we're gonna go check out this engine. So it's a diesel engine, right?
Yeah.
So this was in a box truck. At first, I thought it was a flatbed, but I'm gonna crawl in over there.
The radiator cup's still here. That's a souvenir.
No, I don't want it. Go ahead.
Then I leave it.
All right, guys, here's the engine, the Isuzu.
Alternator.
Diesel, right?
Yes, Isuzu.
The turbos right here. Here's a Garrett turbo. Look. Surprised these people haven't installed this stuff yet.
They don't need it.
It's probably too hard to hike out here.
Not really. So that's how it's Isuzu truck. Body is still there.
All right, guys, we're gonna probably hike out of here, and then
That was a big hit, dude.
yeah, the guy probably died.
For sure.
As you can see, guys, I'm standing on the wheel. He's standing on the power steering pump and the front step. I mean, this thing's pretty much on a cliff edge. I got my pole right here so I don't fall.
The AC radiator right there.
Yeah. Alternator. This is crazy.
Not for hiring.
Not for hire.
FTR.
Yeah, FTR.
Pretty new truck.
Yeah.
Someone fall asleep or they were drunk.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're going to continue on this journey. We just started and already found vehicles, so let's keep rolling. We're going to hike out of here now. Got 2 poles to hold them up for safety. You'll be all right. You're big and strong, dude. You got this. You ain't slipping nowhere, dude.
Where you do the old flipping style. Not with these sticks, you know. Yeah, these sticks is a whole secret. These sticks give you the stability.
You'll be okay. Don't step on this little rock.
Guys, see how this road goes like this and does a circle? It's almost like a complete circle. We just seen a Toyota Tacoma try to pass right here. And there was almost a head-on collision right in front of us. So I'm gonna put the drone in the air and show you this road, how crazy it is. Whoa.
Oh, my forearms are feeling it. Especially on this big round one.
Stay tuned, guys. I'm putting the drone in the air right now.
beautiful. You're gonna go through so many scenic changes, it's not even funny.
If you guys notice, the scene is changing.
Yeah.
It was started in a desert and now it's climbing. The rocks are getting bigger. We will eventually probably end up in a forest, I believe.
You're gonna go through the whole gauntlet.
But cars are hard to find. It's hard to see off the sides. There's a lot of areas where you can't pull over. There's no turnouts, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we got to pull over and look at this rock. Look at this cool rock out here.
Taking a picture right here.
You're in a completely different vegetation zone right now.
Yeah, it's changing, right?
Completely different within 4 minutes, we're in a completely different vegetation zone.
Look at the sky, though, man.
The shrubs changed completely.
Yeah.
Look at those thunderheads.
You think there's a fire over there?
Great thunderheads. This road goes through more changes, more shrub changes, more scenery changes than you can even account.
Yeah. No, it's like pine trees now, right?
Than you can even imagine.
Yeah.
All these shrubs are a brighter green.
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa Mountains.
Santa Rosa Mountains.
Now we're getting into the tall pine tree
You
forest.
like this, Nalgas?
Now we're into the tall.
You like this, Nalgas?
Wherever the hell we were in the desert now, looks like it's gonna rain.
Palm Springs. Pathfinder Ranch. Pathfinder Ranch. Ooh, Highway Patrol had somebody pulled up.
All right, y'all, now we hit rain. We're in a rainstorm of some sort. Let's keep rolling. We're gonna take the back way out of 74. Supposedly we'll end up in Banning. Let's see what happens.
You see all that fresh wood? The floor was beautiful. The whole box, that whole box was shattered and went flying everywhere. Juniors, did you document the box that was on that truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing was a shattered mess. There goes the paint job.
Are we gonna make it through here?
We just got hit with hail.
Lightning storms, hail, snow.
Lightning, thunder, blasting. Oh, all the motorcycles are huddled up under the trees.
Yeah, look at them.
Huddled up under the trees. We can't hold up against hail. There ain't nothing we're gonna do about getting hailed on. Hail the size of golf balls. Dude, we're on the driving range. God's driving range.
Welcome to the summer.
This is crazy.
Summer in Idlewild. Careful, make sure there's no horse driving up your butt. Don't worry about your pain, it's already gone.
All right, guys, I'm sorry, but we had to cancel the rest of this trip due to the weather. It got extremely dangerous. We just pretty much just went home. Tune in, subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next one.